Time Doctor. Build a better workforce by the second. What is Time Doctor? Time Doctor is a time tracking software trusted by teams big and small across the world. It tracks your employees' attendance, adherence to schedules, and workday activity all from one place. About Time Doctor. Time Doctor is a cloud-based time tracking and customer relationship management system solution for businesses to monitor workforce productivity. Features of the Time Doctor are as follows. First, time tracking with Time Doctor. As your business grows, it can get more difficult to accurately track time. You need to know what your employees are doing and what projects are being worked on. This is especially true for businesses with remote employees, outsourced teams, or workers that are on a computer all day. For this purpose, we use Time Doctor. Second, report production. The company's system automatically generates reports on the work that each employee has completed at predetermined intervals. These reports are essential for staying up to date about what employees have been assigned, and if they're completing tasks efficiently. Third, GPS tracking. Employers can keep track of where their employees are while they're on assignment by using the GPS on their smartphones. Fourth, payroll. The system both pays hourly wages and offers a fixed salary. You can track time on the system to automatically calculate payroll through an integrated provider. This information is exportable for easy access. 5. Client portal. Information can be made accessible through free client logins that are restricted to displaying only work done for that specific client. 6. Extensive platform support. Time Doctor is compatible with any device, including desktops, tablets, Android devices, and iOS. It can track work done on all of these devices to provide the most flexibility for employers. 7. Employee monitoring. Time Doctor lets me know that my employees are working and billing their time without me being a nag about them. It has time clocks, screen captures, and reports so I can see what they are doing anytime I want without interrupting or making them anxious. Time Doctor privacy and security. All data is protected by robust SSL encryption and stored in high-end servers located in secure data facilities. The service provides daily backups so you can recover from any accidents that may happen. Customer support. Time Doctor has only average customer support. Some customers have reported getting quick responses while others got slow and confusing email replies. We contacted the Time Doctor support team to get a review. We could only contact them through email or live chat. Live chat was much faster, and we were helped on the same day. Time Doctor pricing plans are as follows. First, free plan. It includes 1 user, pricing, $7 per month, time tracking, tasks and projects, unlimited screenshots, activity tracking, 3-day support, 1 group/department, 1 month of data storage. Second standard plan. It includes 1 user, pricing $10 per month, time tracking, tasks and projects, unlimited screenshots, activity tracking, track apps, URL payrolls, 24-hour support, up to 3 groups/departments, and 6 months of data storage. Third, premium plan. It includes 1 user, pricing $20 per month, time tracking, tasks and projects, unlimited screenshots, activity tracking, track apps and URLs payroll, 64+ integrations, daily email notifications, client login access, VIP support. Pros: 1. Ease of use. It's easy to install, configure, and has a user-friendly interface as reported by nearly 100% of the reviewers who mention ease of use. 2. Time tracking. Over 96% of users who talked about time tracking said that Time Doctor made it possible to accurately track the hours they spent on different tasks, enabling them to manage their time better and optimize payroll processing. Third, screenshot feature. Nearly 90% of users said that they see an increase in productivity and easy monitoring with the help of random screenshots. 4. Pop-up notification. The pop-up notification warns users when they enter a site that is not work-related in order to avoid distractions, as stated by 63% of reviewers. Cons. First, software integration. The additional cost of Time Doctor is too expensive. Second, ideal timekeeping errors. We noted that 100% of reviewers who mentioned idle time recording stated that idle time leads to errors in the timing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Digital Marketing Tools. Also, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. For more information, please visit our website idealonlinebusiness.com.